Hey everyone, Diana Alt here for another episode of Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to talk about onboarding, specifically what you should do if you join a company that doesn't have very good onboarding. This actually happens more often than you might think. A lot of the big companies out there have really good onboarding processes, but small and mid-sized businesses don't always have them. And sometimes if you're doing an internal transfer at a company of any size, you might not get very much onboarding. So what I suggest you do is actually build your own onboarding. Whenever you think about your new job, decide what you want to know in the first 90 days. And there's 4 key areas I want you to think about. The people that you need to work with, so stakeholders and clients and things like that. The problems that your role is designed to solve and your team is designed to solve, the processes that you need to be able to follow, and the projects or products that you'll be working on. So brainstorm out some of the things that you want to know and then get with your boss and say, hey boss, I know you're really busy. I know we don't have a structured onboarding, so I'm trying to make some things up for myself and I need your help. And then vet that list of things that you want to learn about with your boss and offer to make all the arrangements to learn the things as much as possible to make it easier on that boss. These include things like, hey, just point me to the knowledge repository where the information lives, or if you can just give me a few names and let them know I might reach out to them. That can make your onboarding easy because basically everyone will know that your boss gave you the information, your boss is on board with all of this, and if you get stuck and somebody doesn't want to help you, your boss can maybe help grease the wheels and be WD-40 a little bit. As you go through this process, whatever you've developed for that first 30, 60, 90 days, track your progress for yourself and also let your boss know about it. Let them know, hey, I'm already working on these projects, but I also met Mary and Sue from legal. I know that you said I probably won't have to work with them for at least 6 months, but I want to start getting to know them. Just keep them in the loop. And then as a special bonus, if you develop a really great onboarding for yourself, offer to package it up a little bit and give it to your boss so that the next time they have to onboard someone, there's something ready to go. I hope this helps you out if you find yourself in this situation. That's it for this week's Tip Tuesday, and I look forward to seeing you next time.